Project management concepts may seem tough at times, but not to worry. You have a coach who makes it as easy as ABC. Here he is to set things straight for you. Your friend, Phil.
Hello, my friends. How you doing? Welcome to our daily drill for today. Today's daily drill is, as usual, about topics you need to help you get certified, starting with integration management. Now, the reason for this is a lot of you have still not been able to master page 25. This is a quick drill. I'm hoping that by the time we are done, page 25 will be something you find easy to do. All right, so let's go straight into integration management and let's talk about the processes one by one. So the very first process is a foundation. Think about it as a foundation for your project. And the very first process is known as develop project charter. Okay? I want the abbreviations to help you remember what exactly the process is. So pause the recording and try to recall what DPC means and what all the other abbreviations mean. All right, so develop project charter is the foundation of the project. This is where you authorize the project and you create a document known as a project charter. And the project charter is signed off on by the sponsor or the initiator. And that gives the project manager the authority to apply resources to the project and to run the project. The next process is develop project management plan. This is developing a project management plan that guides what you're doing on the project. So, project management plan. This becomes an input to direct and manage project work. Direct and manage project work is where you're executing the work and getting the work done, pretty much coming out with a deliverable. Now, one thing to remember about this, there's a relationship here in which direct and manage project work gives you something known as deliverables. And that deliverable goes to a number of places, including the next process known as manage project knowledge. And manage project knowledge is that process where we get a lessons learned register out of the process. And the lessons learned register becomes an input to many places. The lessons learned register is also something you need to consider when you think about the next process. Monitor and control project work. And the next process that follows that feeds off it as well, in that work performance reports go into the next process, perform integrated change control. Okay, so manage project knowledge gives you a lessons learned register, which goes into monitor and control project work. And ultimately, there's a very big feedback loop right from the bottom here. So if you take a look at this develop project charter, we got a feedback loop all the way from here to the end. And this is the project charter going in here, and it's called close project or phase. But don't forget, we also have from other parts of the project important inputs to close project or phase. And one of the inputs that we're going to get into close project or phase is our deliverable going in to control quality, a verified deliverable coming out of control quality and going into validate scope. And from validate scope, we have what we know to be an accepted deliverable. Okay, And that pretty much completes the loop that I wanted to show you for today. Remember, it's just jogging your memory to remember these things really quick. I want you to get to the point where you know every knowledge area inside out. But in integration, develop project charter, develop project management plan, manage project knowledge, monitor and control project work, perform integrate change control, and close project or phase. But it's also important that you have an integrated idea of how everything fits together. All right? So I hope that helps you. Thank you for joining me on today's daily drill. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now.